each other. Okay. So, but if you take the element BF or CF or DF, okay, there you will find that their upper bound is F. It's okay, but their lower bound is not A. Their lower bound is that element itself. Okay, if you take pair as FB, so B is the lower bound only. So no need to go for. So it is not a complements of each other. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking to all. Is it clear now, everyone? So
Yes,
now
sir.
I want I want exact answer for question number 2. Give me the answer for second question now. You have to tell me is it a complemented or not. Okay. Vinayak, you can't ask me question ना. Same question मी तुम्हाला विचारलं तुम्हाला तो विचारतोय परत. Is it complemented lattice? You should give me answer as yes or no. Okay. Whatever may be your reasons. We will see the reasons. But you should give me the answer yes or no. Either complemented or not complemented. If not complemented, you should give me the element for which complement doesn't exist. Fast, fast, fast. I want answer from you. I will not move ahead. Just check what are the elements have upper bound and lower bound as F and A. अरे इतका वेळ घेणार आहेत का? चला, give me the answers now. If I take pair B and C, tell me upper bound fast. For B and C, what is upper bound? For B and C, what is their upper bound? List upper bound. Yes. So is it a lattice? Sorry, is it a complementary one then? Is it a complemented? Okay, no. Okay, so you can't say only one. So if you able to say that, so if you are checking for B and C, okay, if you found it is a not complement, if you found that these are not complement, still you can't directly say that they are not. This is not a complemented lattice. No. Okay, you have to check for other elements as well. You have to check for other elements as well. Maybe that B and D may are complement. Okay, maybe BE असू शकतात किंवा BG असू शकतात. Okay, all aspects you have to check. So now you have to tell me which is the complemented element of B. Which is the complement element of B. B and C तर फेल झाले. ठीक आहे. कुठला अजून ऑप्शन आहे बी ला? चेक करा. Yes, BE. चला बोला. BE. What is upper bound? BE. What is upper bound? E itself. Yes. Okay, again fails. Now check for pair B G. चलो बोलो. BG, what is upper bound? BG, what is upper bound? Yes. And what is lower bound? No, Shruti, wrong again. B is not upper. B is not lower bound. Lower bound is A. ओके. बी जी सी. मी तुम्हाला परत सांगितलंय अप्पर बाउंड साठी काय करायचं, दोघं पॉईंट्सवर तुम्ही फिंगर्स ठेवा आणि चेक करा ते ओव्हर साईडला कुठे भेटतात. ओके, देन यू विल फाइंड द अप्पर बाउंड अँड जस्ट कम ट्रॅव्हर्स डाउनवर्ड्स. यू विल सी वेअर दे आर मीटिंग ॲट डाउनवर्ड साइड. दॅट इज युअर लोअर बाउंड. ओके, बी अँड जी आर मीटिंग ॲट ए ओनली. ओके, डीला ते भेटतात का नाही, सीला भेटतात का नाही, कारण बी टू सी यू कांट रिच. B to C you can't reach. That's why C cannot be their intersection point. Okay, they should meet only at A. Okay, so can we say that B and G are complement of each other? Can we say that B and G are complement now? अरे yes no काहीतरी बोला पटापट.
Yes, sir.
Now find it for other elements. Now find for other elements. If all elements have complement, then we can say that this is the complemented lattice. If you find a single element, at least if you find at least a single element which don't have any complement element, we can say that this is not a complemented lattice. So tell me fast now. Is it a complemented lattice or not? Give the answer fast. मी अर्धा तास स्पेंड केलाय, मला उत्तर पाहिजे. अर्धा तास मी तुमच्या टॉपिकवर वाया घालवतोय मीन्स इन वेटिंग ओनली. यू आर नॉट गिव्हिंग द आन्सर फास्ट. पटापट चेक करा ना आता. आता बी आणि जी चेक करायची गरज नाही ना, तर ते दोघं सापडले तुम्हाला. आता ईला कुठला कॉम्प्लिमेंट आहे का चेक करा, सीला कुठला कॉम्प्लिमेंट आहे का चेक करा, डीला कुठला भेटतोय का चेक करा. ओके, एफ आणि ए चेक करायची गरज नाही. आत्ता 10:33 झालेले आहेत. 2 मिनिटात मला उत्तर द्या, नाही ते मी उत्तर सांगतोय फायनल तुम्हाला. Within 2 minutes, I am going to give the final answer. Okay, Atharva says CE are complements, correct. CE are complements of each other, correct. Okay, B and G are there, C and E are there. Nishant says DE. निशांत तूच सांग मला, डीई पेअर होणार आहे का? What is lower bound of DE? Greatest lower bound. Okay, we are asking for greatest lower bound. ओके, मी ते परत परत ग्रेटेस्ट शब्द वापरत नाहीये, पण आपण कुठला लोअर बाउंड शोधतोय? ग्रेटेस्ट लोअर बाउंड वी आर फाइंडिंग. फर्स्ट टेल मी, व्हॉट इज देअर लोअर बाउंड? व्हॉट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट लोअर बाउंड ऑफ डीई? नाही ना रे मित्रा, बी इज देअर लोअर बाउंड. बी ला भेटतात ते दोघं एकत्र. तुम्ही कन्फ्युज करतायत यार. डीई हे दोघं पेअर खाली कुठे भेटतात ते बघायचं आहे आपल्याला. डाऊन साईडला कुठे भेटतात ते? बी ला भेटतायत. दे आर नॉट कॉम्प्लिमेंट्स ऑफ इच अदर. चलो फास्ट. चला, मला उत्तर कोणातरी अथर्वने उत्तर दिलेले सीई आर कॉम्प्लिमेंट. कुठला एलिमेंट राहिला? फक्त डी राहिला. चेक करा पटापट. डी ला कुठला एलिमेंट आहे का कॉम्प्लिमेंट? Okay, so I will tell you the answer final now. So it is not a complemented lattice because element D don't have complement. It is not a complemented lattice because D element doesn't have a complement. Okay, not complemented lattice because element D don't have complement element. I want answer from all of you. Is it now? Are you getting this example? Still to reply only. I don't know what are the efforts required to type yes. मी तुम्हाला परत सांगू का YES असं टाईप करा चॅटबॉक्समध्ये आणि ते कॉपी करून घ्या वाटलंच तर काय करा YES टाईप करा आणि ते कॉपी करा म्हणजे मी परत सांगितलं की फक्त पेस्ट करा इफ यू आर हॅव्हिंग लॉट ऑफ इश्यू इन टायपिंग येस YES देन यू शुड बेटर कॉपी दॅट लेटर्स अँड जस्ट कॉपी पेस्ट इट चला ठीक आहे इट्स युअर चॉईस I will start with the function today now. There are 2 points are remaining from the relations only, but it's better to start functions because we have a time today, so that we can cover much more topics from relation functions as well. So, can anyone tell me what is the difference between relation and function? What is the difference between function and relation? Difference between function and relation. कुठल्या मराठीत सांगा कुठल्या भाषेत सांगा नॉर्मल टर्मिनॉलॉजी मध्ये सांगा मला फक्त येस okay so function is a relation first okay it is already a relation okay but the difference is what it drives one output value from input value it drives the one output value from input value okay so this is just a difference I am trying to say but if you want to put the definition of function okay so what is the definition a relation f from set A to set B, set A to set B. Okay, so write down this first. Okay, I got you one definition here. Function is a special type of relation. The relation is like data structure, example, linked list, and array. Okay, correct. Function is a special type of relation is correct. No problem at all. Yes, correct. Write down the definition. Let me know as done. Okay, so if we try to find out the size comparison, then A cross A is our biggest set. Okay, then relation is our some sort of less ordered pairs are there. Okay, and again small we have a function. Okay, because in A cross A every possible ordered pair we are assuming, okay, or we're adding into that. Okay, in relation, depending on the type of relation, some of the ordered pairs are present or some of the ordered pairs are not present. Okay, so we can say the size of a relation is less than our A cross A. Can anyone tell me what is A cross A? What is the name of A cross A we are calling? What do we call it as A cross A? What is A cross A? आठवते की उडाले? What is A cross A? What it called as? खरं नाही रे मित्रांनो. अरे कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट. Okay, A cross A is your Cartesian product. So ordered pairs in Cartesian products are all ordered pairs are there. In relation, some of the ordered pairs can be missing. In function, again, it is less ordered pair with comparison of relation. That's why I have shown like this. Getting now? Why I have shown like this? Okay, because A cross A is what? All ordered pairs. All possible ordered pairs are there in A cross A. Okay, but in relation, we have a less ordered pairs depending on the your definition. Maybe you are considering as a reflexive, symmetric, blah blah. We have already seen those points. Okay, so let's talk about the functions now. So what they are saying: set A, set B, set A, set B. Okay, suppose we have elements here A, B, C, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are two sets are there. Okay, so try to apply the definition. What it says: a relation f from set A to set B is called a function if to each element A belongs to A, we can assign a unique element of B. A unique element of B we can assign. Okay, so let's say A is our first letter, B is second letter, C is third letter, D is fourth letter. So can I say this is a function now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if now 5 element doesn't have any element, so can I say this is not a function? Element 5 is not mapped to anyone, so is it a, I can say it is not a function? Is it true, or is it a function? Yes, it is a function. Why? Because we are writing this function from A to B. Okay, this function we are writing from A to B. If this function is given as B to A, in that case, in that case, if the
No, sir,
function
not a
was from
function.
B to A, then not a function.
Not
Yes,
function.
correct. Okay, it is not a function. Okay, so all the elements from set A should have a unique element in the set B. Okay, so take one more example. Suppose this is my set A, this is my set B, 1, 2, 3, and if by applying some function, this is what we are getting. So is it a function now? Is it a function? So can I say f2 is a function? Okay, no. Why? Because A elements A doesn't have a unique function, and obviously B and C are not having a unique images. That's why it is not a function. Okay. What about F3? What about F3? Yes, not a function. Okay, not a function. Now, the next question comes here is, tell me, how many functions can be possible from A to B if size of A is M and size of B is N? Think on it and give me answer. अरे सॉरी मी ते पेज रिफ्रेश नाही केलं का? तेच म्हटलं असं कसं काय झालं. What was my question? How many functions are possible from f of A to B if mod of A is given as M and mod of B is given as N? Means what? In A there are M elements and in B we have a N elements. Then tell me how many functions can be possible? M, O, M म्हणजे काय समजा आता या प्रिव्हियस एक्झाम्पल मध्ये. ओके, जस्ट ट्राय टू फाइंड आउट द आन्सर ऑन दिस एज वेल ना. एक एक्झाम्पल घ्या. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is my set B as A, B. Okay, if I write like this, okay, So how many functions are possible for these two sets? This is my A, this is my B. M क्रॉस n म्हणजे या केसमध्ये किती आलं ते 3 दुणे 6, 3 into 2 6. Okay, any other answer? It's very straightforward answer is there. You should apply some mathematics. Yes. चलो let's start with this once again. See, थोडं मोठ्या अक्षरात काढतो इथे. Okay, so how many elements are possible for element number 1 which we can map? For element number 1, how many elements we can map? 2. Okay, for 2 element, for second element, how many elements we have? Again 2. For 3, we have a 2. Then how many relations we got? Sorry, how many functions we got? Yes. Okay, so we will get 8 functions. Okay, so the it depends on the size of n. It depends on size of the second set to the power of first set. Okay, n power m. छोटा लगा. N power m is the answer. N power m is the answer for that. ओके. आता मी काढून दाखवू शकतो, पण काढायला लावू नका, की आता तुम्ही याचे 8 सेट्स 8 डायग्राम तुम्ही काढू शकतात इझिली. ओके, फर्स्ट डायग्रामला काय करणार तुम्ही? A first elementला 8, you should get the 8 different functions. Now you should get 8 different diagrams. In the first diagram, what I will do, I will point all the 3 elements to A. In the second iteration, in the second diagram, I will point all the 3 elements to B. Okay, these are the two iterations, are these are the two different functions. Okay, third functionला मी काय करणार, एकला A जोडणार आणि 2 आणि 3 ला B जोडणार. Okay, like this combinations you can do. Okay, you will get the 8 combinations of the functions. Correct? Hello. Correct now? Can you able to recall how many relations are possible from A to B if this size is given? How many relations are possible if this size is given? आठवतंय का, काढलंय आपण? How many relations are possible from A to B in case of these elements M and N? तुम्ही पटकन रिप्लाय करणार नाही मला माहिती आहे. चला घ्या. ओके, सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ रिलेशन्स आर पॉसिबल 2 power mn. ओके, आपलं ऑलरेडी काढून झालेलं आहे. ओके, अँड फंक्शन्स आर n power m. Okay, so if you want to find out, so not function but relation, not function but relation, then that count is 2 power mn minus n power m. Okay, 2 power mn minus n power m. Okay, please write down this point, then I will continue. Let me know as done. Write down this point, let me know as done. not function but relation. Okay, so there is one problem. Let's try this. Okay, I'm trying to save pages. Okay, so we have to, so here they have given some relations on set A. We have to find out which one of them are not a function and which of them are a function. Okay, which one are not and which one are relations. So tell me, in R1, R2, R3, which one are functions and which one not? So here we are trying to find out the functions as like this. Here is also ABC. Here is also ABC. Can we can we write the function on itself? Yes. We want a relation on two sets. Here two sets are same. No issues. Okay. So which one of them are function? Which one are not? Hello. I want answer from you, all of you. Not a difficult question. If you understood the definition, then not a difficult question. Not at all. R1, R3 not functions. R2 is a function. R3 is a function. R2 function. R3 function. Okay, let's check one by one. What about R1? What about R1? R1, some of you are saying not a function. Okay, so let's tell me why it is not a function. Tell me why it is not a function. R1. Why R1 is not a function? अरे पटापट मित्रांनो. Yes. Okay, because in R1 we don't have a image of C. C is not mapped to anyone. म्हणजे आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो? So in the term of functions, we can say that C doesn't have a unique image. Okay, that's why R1 cut. What about R2? R2 again same. Okay, C is not mapped. Okay, and to say that R1 is not a function, there is a one more reason is there, that for element A, we don't have a unique element. Nishant, all of you are getting? Those who have given the answer for R1 as C is not a map. There are two reasons why R1 is not a relation. First of all, C doesn't have a image and A element doesn't have a unique image. That's why two reasons to fail over there. Okay. R3 is a relation. R3 is a relation. R3 is a relation. Okay. Next topic. Now the types of functions. Types of functions. Okay. So first type is one-to-one function. It is also called as injection. Write down fast. एक हाँ एक ती मुलगी अपेक्षा हाँ okay, so write down this fast. लेक्चर है लेक्चर है yes fast, write down definition, let me know as done. Okay, so one to one function, obviously it is a type of function, means what, whatever the conditions are there for a functions, okay, that are applicable here. So what are the conditions are there? For every element in a set A should have a unique image in set B. Okay, that is the first condition. Now one to one function is having one more condition, is that no two elements in a set A are mapped to same elements of B. Okay, that is a one more condition. Have you got the definition now? Have you got the definition? So can I say like this? Is it a function? Is it a one-to-one function? No. Okay, this is not a function at all because A is having two images. Okay, this is not a function itself. Forget about one-to-one. हे फंक्शनच नाहीये कुठलं. ओके, बट वन टू वन नाहीये, म्हणजे वन टू वन फेल होतं ते कुठे होईल की सपोज A is also pointing to B, B is also pointing to B, one, sorry, and then C is having this image. Okay, so this is a function. Okay, this is a function, but not one to one. Clear now? Is it clear? This is a function, but not one to one, because they have given the condition over there that okay, but it is satisfying all the parameters for a function. That's why it is a function. Hello, am I clear? Okay, so tell me, for element A, how many options we have in this here? Here, for element A, how many options we have? For element A, how many options we have? Yes. For B, for B, yes. Okay. So this is what, how many options we have. Okay. So what is the mandatory condition in this one-to-one function is what? Mandatory condition is what? The mod of B means the elements in a set B should be greater than or equals to elements in A. Correct? Because every element should have a one image, na? Every element has a one unique image. If A is having five elements, then obviously in a B you should have a five or more than five elements. Clear? Okay. I hope it is clear to you. The next definition is surjective or onto function. What they're saying? Yes, write down this fast. Done?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me the difference between one to one and onto now? Now onto is regarding the set B. Now onto here one more condition is added from in terms of set B now. Okay. So what they are saying? Not needed, na? Not needed or needed? Ishan, tell me, is it required, necessary? It is not necessary condition. How? Tell me first. How? What they are saying? Every element of B is mapped by at least one element. Okay, समजा इथे 1 2 3, इथे फक्त A एकच आहे. चालणार का? Is it a on to function? Is it on to? Yes. Okay. Is it a on to? It is on to. It is a function. Obviously, it is on to as well. Okay. Not necessary that we have a same elements or that like that. You should have a just make sure that in the set B, in the other set, if suppose this is the set B now, okay, A and B, now B is not having any image in set A, okay, म्हणजे त्यावर कुठला एक image B element is not a image of any element from set A, okay, so now it fails for onto, now it fails for onto, okay. Then take a next definition. Bijection, okay. What is the definition? A function. Now tell me the condition for this functions. So what is the condition now? Okay, it should have 1 to 1 and it should as well as on to. Okay, so 1 to 1 साठी condition काय आहे आपली? Okay, for on to function. Okay, yes, correct now. Okay, write down this. Let me know as done. Write down this. Let me know as done. One more definition I will cover today. Sorry. Okay, so write down these definitions, let me know as done. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will stop here today. Okay, tomorrow, means in the next lecture we will start with the problems. Okay, the next lecture we will start with the problems tomorrow. Sorry,
हॅलो सर.
tomorrow only. ठीक आहे, we will
सर
stop now. हा बोला.
सर आम्हाला AICTचा मेल आलेला आहे इंटर्नशिपचा.
हो, याच मेल आलेला आहे, मी टाकलेला मेसेज तुम्हाला भेटेल. आज मीटिंग आहे आपली 3 वाजता.
ओके सर.
काय
सर 3:15 आमची एक दुसरी मीटिंग आहे मेंटर
ईशान, तुझा आवाज नाही येते मला. एआयसाठी इंटर्नशिप बद्दल जर काही डाऊट असतील तर आज तुम्हाला लिंक येईल. 3 वाजता मीटिंग आहे. मीटिंग म्हणजे काय, डिरेक्टली आपण स्टार्ट करतोय 3 वाजता. ठीक आहे. ओके का ईशान, तेच डाऊट होता का की वेगळा होता?
सर तो म्हणत होता की 3:15 दुसरी मेंटर मेंटी मीट ठेवली मॅमने.
रिक्वेस्ट करा मॅडम ना की आमची ट्रेनिंग आहे म्हणा मॅडम. कारण मी ट्रेनिंग सुरू करतोय, काय सर, म्हणजे मीटिंग नाहीये, मी ट्रेनिंग सुरू करतोय डायरेक्टली. आणि ते काही फक्त आपल्या एका डिपार्टमेंटचं नाहीये, ऑल डिपार्टमेंट्स आर इन्व्हॉल्ड. देन प्लीज कॉन्टॅक्ट युअर मेंटर अँड प्लीज आस्क देम टू शिफ्ट युअर मीटिंग. ओके, वाटलं सर ब्रेकमध्ये घ्यायला लावा मेंटरला मीटिंग. ठीक आहे. आणि टायमिंग चेंज नाही होणार, कारण की ऑल डिपार्टमेंट्स हॅव ॲग्रीड टू दिस टायमिंग नाव. थँक्यू. यू कॅन लिव्ह नाव. थँक्यू.